All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 Show live at the convention center. All right. What this game is?
TurboGrafx.
TurboGrafx. What kind of games they got on there?
Splatterhouses, Bonk's Adventure.
Bonk's Adventure. Okay, I never heard of those. Okay. Everybody having fun at Comic-Con? All right. All right. That's what I'm talking about. And they go Truth the Gamer meal right there. Life a meal. All right. Excuse me, Mr. Heat.
That's it.
Oh yeah. Oh, why not? Come on, friend.
People don't need to know where I'm at.
Well, never mind all that.
They don't need to know where I'm at, Domino.
Oh, come on.
They don't need to know where I'm at.
Right.
Unless I'm at work.
Oh no! Shh! Don't say nothing. And don't say.
I'm gonna say where I work so you can't post.
No.
Yeah.
Well, I'm because you could get in trouble. Don't do that. All right. So. Oh, they playing Sonic Spinball. I already have that. In case some of y'all don't know. I wanted to get that racing truck game, that racing game. So I should have bought it yesterday, but I bought Street Fighter, you know. Okay. Hey, how y'all doing? Well, would y'all like to be on the show?
It's okay.
Oh, well, all right. I ain't gonna put you on. All right. So anyway, Need for Speed Pro Street, Need for Speed Carbon. How about that? Okay. Oh. All right. So, All-Star Baseball 2003. All right, so got so many games here. I might buy something, you know. Everybody's having a nice time over here, you know. All right.